Hello, I'm back. Today I just want to show you how I clean it. Padlock key. You can see the padlock key is not shiny anymore or tarnished, but you can make it this more shiny with brasso. And don't forget, you also need cotton swab. And I bought this from Dollar Tree, $1.25, and this one from Walmart. But we started. Okay. I hate this smell from the brasso because so strong. Remove in the hair. Okay, you can see, guys, it's tarnished, right? Not shiny anymore. But don't worry, we can polish it with brasso. Just put like this, the cream, and rubbing with the cotton swab. I love cotton swab because it's really handy for me to clean it, the padlock, and do my project. You can see, guys, it's really dirty. So keep going. I will just clean it on the front so you can see the difference and see the other side is not shiny. This smell from the brasso make my throat itchy. Because the chemical from the brasso really strong. Look how dirty, right? So I do it the other side from the cotton swab. Clean it. Yeah. Okay. And still dirty. You see? But you keep going, clean it. If you're not happy, you can put the cream again. My neck itchy. Okay, the other side is done. Can you see the difference? This is the one I put brasso, and the other side is not. Can you see the difference? I don't know, and I'm not sure. Can you see the difference or no? This one not finished yet, but the other side, yes. Maybe the light from the kitchen is not clear enough to show on camera, but in real you can see it's really shiny now than the other side. Okay, guys, thank you, and I hope this video help you how to clean your padlock key. Bye.